incorporating feedback and making necessary revisions, turning insights into wins. Welcome to Lecture 11.3. A robust review process is only half the battle. The true value is realized when that feedback is diligently incorporated and necessary revisions are made effectively. A well-defined process for integrating feedback and managing revisions is crucial for transforming constructive criticism into tangible improvements that enhance proposal quality and ultimately increase win probability. The crucial link between feedback and improvement. Feedback, no matter how insightful, remains inert unless it triggers meaningful action. In the fast-paced environment of bid management, a systematic approach to incorporating feedback and managing revisions is essential to avoid delays, ensure accuracy, and maintain the momentum of the proposal development process. Why feedback needs a structured process. Avoids delays. Without a clear process, feedback can be misinterpreted, overlooked, or inconsistently applied, negating the benefits of the review stages. Ensures accuracy. A structured approach ensures that feedback, especially for critical factual errors or inconsistencies, is addressed accurately. Maintains momentum. A systematic process for integrating feedback and managing revisions keeps the proposal development process on track and avoids last-minute scrambling. Insights from W. Edwards Deming. As W. Edwards Deming, a pioneer in quality management, famously stated, "Everyone doing his best is not the answer. It is first necessary that people know what to do." Application to bids. The feedback gathered during the review process provides the quote to do. A well-implemented revision process empowers the bid team to do their best by translating those insights into tangible improvements in the proposal. A framework for incorporating feedback. This process involves several key stages. Receiving and acknowledging feedback. Establish a clear, centralized channel for receiving feedback and ensure it's acknowledged promptly. Review and analysis of feedback. Categorize and prioritize feedback based on its potential impact on the proposal's quality and compliance. Clarify any ambiguous feedback with the reviewer. Developing an action plan. Assign responsibility for each piece of feedback. Define the specific actions required and set realistic deadlines. Implementing revisions. Utilize track changes and a robust version control system to manage revisions and ensure the latest version is always being worked on. Review and verification of revisions. Conduct an internal review to ensure all feedback has been addressed accurately and effectively, and conduct a final quality check before approval. Key considerations for effective implementation. For the feedback and revision process to be effective, it must be supported by a culture and a framework that promotes clear communication and timely action. Culture of open feedback. Foster a culture where feedback is viewed as an opportunity for improvement, not as criticism. Encourage open and honest communication between reviewers and the bid team. Clear roles and responsibilities. Clearly define who is responsible for receiving feedback, analyzing it, developing action plans, implementing revisions, and verifying the changes. This minimizes confusion and ensures accountability. Timeliness. Emphasize the importance of addressing feedback and making revisions in a timely manner to keep the proposal development process on track. Objectivity. Encourage the bid team to approach feedback objectively and be willing to make changes based on the reviewer's insights. The goal is to improve the proposal, not to defend it. Balance feedback. The bid manager needs to exercise judgment in prioritizing and incorporating feedback. While all feedback should be considered, the proposal must remain focused and aligned with the overall strategy. Communication. Maintain clear and consistent communication throughout the revision process, keeping all stakeholders informed of progress and any potential challenges. Key takeaways. Embracing iteration for proposal excellence. Implementing a robust process for incorporating feedback and managing revisions is a strategic imperative for achieving proposal excellence. By establishing clear mechanisms for receiving, analyzing, and acting upon feedback, you foster a culture of continuous improvement. Embracing iteration and viewing feedback as a valuable tool for refinement is the hallmark of a mature and effective bid management function that leads to higher win rates and sustained success.